Hello guys, this is Vivek. I am back. Today I am going to use a new tool, that is UIPath, and I'll start with a very simple example how to read the data from Excel. So let me show you the Excel. So this is my Excel. I put some data here. You can see this name, employee ID, designation, department. I want to fetch this data. So how to do it in UIPath? So let's see. I'm just minimizing it. I'll click on the blank. Okay, click, and here you can give the name. I can give read Excel data. The same you could put it here. Click on create. So you can see this window, and here, as you are aware, there are two ways to start. Either you can use the sequence or you can go for a workflow, but I would go for a sequence at this time. So let's see. Once you drag this on this screen, you can see the sequence, and here if you want to give some name, you can give the name of the sequence. You can change it. I can put it like read Excel data. To read Excel data, you have to search the Excel activities. So I can search Excel, and here you can see the Excel application scope. I'll grab this command, put it here, and here you can see some exclamatory marks you can see in a blue color. So it's asking the path of the Excel file. Let me copy this path. I'll put it here and select this one. Once you give the Excel path, then you have to read the range. So again, I'll go little down. I can search the range. You can see in Excel to use the read range. So I can grab read range, and here you can see it's asking the sheet name. By default it's a sheet 1. So in our case it's sheet 1 only. So let it be like this. And here you can see the range. By default it's empty. So if you want to read the entire Excel, you can keep it blank, but if you want to specify few rows, then you can give the range like from A2 to D3, like that. It's depend on your requirement how many rows you want to read it. Okay, once you read it, and you can see will be in a data table. So here what I'll do, I'll create a variable. So I can give this variable name as Excel data table. I just created this variable. You can see here in a variables, and scope is 2. I'll change the scope to the global variable, so it will be this variable can be used on top level. So I put it as read Excel data, and I'll go to again here, go to data table. Here I can give the name. So here you can see Excel data table. I can put it this one, Excel data table. Okay, and here you can see we are using the headers. So by default it's a checked one. If you are not using the headers, if this row is not there, you can uncheck it. You can click on and uncheck it. Okay, so now we read the range. Now we need to range the we need to read the data. So for that we have to use two rows. So for that I can use for each. So you can see for each row I can drag and drop here. So here you can see it's asking the for each row in, and it's asking the data table. So here we already have the Excel data table. I can put it here, and in body I want to display the value in a message box. So for that I can use the message box. So I'll grab message box, and to display the value I can put it like it should be string. So I can put employee name. Okay, so I'll take first column only. So here you can see the for each row. So I can put row dot items dot. So item is an array, so you have to provide the index, so it will start with the 0 index. So here you can see multiple override method is there. People who are from the development background, they can understand it in much better way. So this we'll see little later, but as of now you can see here multiple options you can see. So column index as an integer, I'll provide the column index as an integer, so it's start with the 0. I'll put it dot to string. Okay, and once you put this one, this blue icon went away. So now let's see whether it's working or not. So let me run it. First I'll save it, run it. So you can see this is the first entry, second entry, third, fourth, that's it. So you have seen that we have successfully read the data from Excel. The same way if you want to put some kind of validations, or if you want to copy the data from one Excel to another Excel, you can do it. We'll see a lot of other actions in my upcoming videos. Thanks to watch this video, and have a great day. Thank you.